Alright, what is up guys? It's TMT Slaves here, back in another video. And today, it's a little bit of a different video. We're not playing games or anything. I'm teaching you guys how to make some fried chicken. So, first you want to take 1 cup measuring cup. Then you want to get some flour. Okay. So I put 3 cups of flour. It depends on how much flour you want. And for the salt, it's 1 teaspoon per cup of flour. Oh yeah, and also season your chicken and season your chicken pieces in salt, and then put them into the fridge. Once you put all the salt and flour into the mixture, you just want to whisk it together. Give it some whiskey business, and then you should have your dry mixture. So now we're gonna be moving on to the wet mixture. So basically, if you don't have buttermilk, you can do this. So you pour. So we didn't have buttermilk, but ideally you'd want to use buttermilk. So you pour milk into a cup. So that's 1 cup of milk. Now to make it taste like buttermilk, you need to add lemon juice. So this is the lemon juice that I added. I was trying to get in front of the camera, so there it is. So I just added enough for it to become, I guess, well, I mean, it just depends on how much you want to add. So now you're gonna need to add an egg. It's an egg per cup of milk, so it just depends on how much you need. So, I use my perfect egg cracking skills there to add the egg. So I only need to add 1 egg because I only used 1 cup of milk. So into the wet mixture, you also want to add pickle juice. So it's also 1 tablespoon per cup of milk, but I want to add a little bit more. It just depends on how you like it. But yeah, usually be 1 tablespoon for this amount, but I just put a little bit more to give it some more flavor. So this part is optional if you want spicy chicken. Personally, I really like spicy chicken, so I was adding sriracha sauce. So I actually, I was putting quite a bit. So I mean, yeah, I put a lot of that. Yeah, there's more. Yeah, it keeps coming. Yep. So I put a lot of sriracha sauce. It just depends if you even want it to be spicy or not. It just depends. The sriracha sauce basically depends on your spice tolerance, I guess you could say. So the sriracha sauce was twang ut sriracha. So yeah, you can buy that one from the store if you want. Now the next part was to whisk all of the ingredients together to make the perfect wet mixture for fried chicken. So in 3, 2, 1, and it's done. Alright, now we're breading chicken. So you want to take a piece of chicken, put it in the flour, shake it around, put on the coat flour. Then you want to shake off the excess. And then you want to go into your wet mixture with the chicken. My hand's in the way. Sorry about that, guys. But it's pretty straightforward. Then you want to go back into flour. And you really want to push the coating onto the chicken so it stays on and it becomes really crispy. And then you want to take your chicken piece. Once I get my chicken piece. Yes, you want to take the chicken piece. Shake off the excess. And you want to put it into oil. And make sure the oil... Just don't cause grease fire, please. Please, I don't want to be responsible for that. Thank you. Ooh, hear that noise? It's the sound of fried chicken going on. Alright, so look, chicken is done cooking, and now we're just taking it out. I got my mom to do this because I don't want to do it. I don't want to, she's expert. And that is the result of the fried chicken. Alright, so now it's time to make the waffles. So normally you'd have jalapeno in the batter, but we didn't have any jalapenos. So that was very unfortunate. But yeah, so you would take your batter, put it into the waffle mixture, make sure it's all round. Make sure the whole thing's, filled. Make sure the crevices are filled. And then close that lid. So this is how the waffles look after they're done. Alright, now that we have all the components for this beautiful sandwich, we should put it together. So what you want to do is you want to cut the waffles into 4 different pieces. And then you want to take your sauce. So personally, I use chipotle sauce. And you want to generously put that on all your waffles. Don't be shy. So it just depends on what sauce you want. And then you want to have sliced pickles. Lay them out like that. So this is completely optional. I know lots of people don't like pickles at all. So I personally like pickles in my fried chicken sandwich. So I laid the pickles onto the sandwich. Another thing that people don't really know about is coleslaw on the fried chicken sandwich. It tastes really good. So I'm just putting the coleslaw on to the waffles. And then now it's time for the most majestic piece of it all. The chicken. So yeah, the chicken goes on, top waffle goes on, and this one was a bit awkward for me to do, so I was just finding a way to do it. Top waffle goes on, and there you have some nice juicy chicken waffle sandwiches.